Welcome back to Maker Monday at the Independence Public Library. My name is Bonnie, and today we're going to create a magnetic shark. Welcome back to Maker Monday at the Independence Public Library. My name is Bonnie, and today we have this opportunity to create a magnetic shark. What you'll need is a supply packet from the Independence Public Library. It should look something like this. A pair of scissors, a pencil, a glue stick, and a marker of some kind. Go ahead and gather your materials and start the video again. I think the first thing we need to do is take your big sheet of construction paper. There's a shark already traced out on it, but what we need to do is trace around our hand at the bottom. Now my hand's kind of big, so I'm just going to use this little cutout and measure around, but your hand will fit on there just fine. Go ahead and trace around your hand. When you've completed that, go ahead and cut out all the pieces that we have outlined for you to cut out. Once we get them all cut out, we'll assemble our shark. Welcome back. I think it's time we can go ahead and start assembling our shark. Okay, so you should have some eyes, your hand, a fin, and a belly, and your magnet. Okay, let's go ahead and attach our hand first. Okay, let's just lay that out on the back of your shark, where you think it fits the best. We'll just glue that guy on. Okay. I'm going to put mine at a little bit of an angle. Maybe something like that. Okay, now we have his belly. That should fit somewhere. Oh. If you look at your picture that we sent along, you can kind of see where that maybe goes. Somewhere along the bottom of his fish body. I want mine up just a little bit from the bottom. This one, it looks like it's right along the bottom, but I think you can adjust that however you want your shark to look is perfect. Then we have one little fin that goes along the bottom here. Well, maybe I want that under there. Okay, maybe we should have stuck that on first. It doesn't matter. Either way's fine. Either way's fine. Okay, maybe something like that. Okay. Then his eyes, if you want to draw your own eyes on there, that's okay. Or you can use the cutout eyes that we have. Maybe find the best place wherever you think they look best on him. Maybe about there. Okay. Now I think every shark needs a great big smile. So here's where you want to take your marker or crayon, whatever you have will work. I want to put a great big smile on this guy because he's a happy shark. So my mouth kind of looked like that, but any way you put a mouth on there is perfect. The last part to this craft is just to add the magnet to the back if you want to. That way, if Mom will let you, you could probably hang it on your refrigerator if you want. Okay. There we go. We've completed a magnetic shark. As always, make sure and pick up your equipment when you're finished. Clean up all your scraps. Thank you for joining us today. Just a few of the books about sharks at the Independence Public Library are Misunderstood Shark by Amy Dykman, The Shark Who Was Afraid of Everything by Brian James, I Am the Shark by Joan Holub, and of course, Baby Shark. We're glad that you joined us today. We do hope to see you at the library soon. Goodbye now.